Hello guys, how are you? This is Mr. Andinet. Here I have new chapter 1, book on Natoko, and we will see under this chapter we will see asking greeting. Nagaa walgaafachuu. Nagaa walgaafachuu. I think we saw this one in the class, but just to give you more information and to be clear for you, I come within this video tutorial. So let's see how we greet if we meet someone at the morning, at the mid of the day, and afternoon. Yeah. So I think you know that already. You know how we greet someone in English or in Amharic. But what is new here for you? Just only the language matters. So let's come to me. Follow now. Okay. How we greet if it is morning. Morning means in Afaan Oromo ganama morning. Okay. Here it is a conversation between Barsisa means a teacher and a Barok. Barok is maybe student, yeah? Maybe student. So here let's see about the conversation. Okay. Akkam bulte Barok.
Akkam bultaan barsiisaa.
This means you see when I say good morning Barok,
Good morning, teacher.
you see good morning Barok, good morning teacher. But here in Afaan Oromo akkam bulte Barok, akkam bultan barsiisa. Here you can see bultan and the bulte because Barok says bultan to show what? To show some respect and to be more polite for teacher. So we use bultan to show respect and to be more polite. But if it is our friend, teacher is not our friend, yeah. So but if it is our friend, we can say akkam bulte Barok, akkam bulte someone. Maybe the Barok's friend name is whose name was Christian. Akkam bulte Christian, akkam bulte Barok. Easily you can say like this. But it is a conversation between teacher and a student to show some respect. Akkam bulte Barok. Then
Akkam bultaan barsiisaa.
you see it is like that. Nagaadha ati ho.
Nagaa kooti barsiisaa.
You see I'm fine and you? I'm fine teacher to mean I'm fine teacher. Okay. Tole nagaan oli.
Tole nagaan oolaa.
You see nagaan ola. Not oli. Nagaan ola is to show some respect again. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Okay, if you know this in this if it is enough, let's come to afternoon when it is guya or afternoon. This is the conversation between Barsisa and Anania, teacher and Anania. Okay, it is at what? It is at guya or afternoon. Okay. Akkam olte Anania?
Akkam ooltaan barsiisaa.
You see, oltan. She said what? Akkam oltan. Good morning, Anania. Sorry, good afternoon, Anania.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay. Nagaadha ati ho. I'm fine and you to me.
Nagaa kooti barsiisaa.
You see, I am fine, teacher. Easily. Tole nagaan oli.
Tole nagaan oolaa.
You see, nagaan ola, not nagaan oli. As I told you in the previous page, it is to show some respect for your teacher and for some older person that you are talking. You say nagaan ola to mean goodbye or have a nice day. Okay, how we greet someone at the evening? Galgala. At the evening, galgala. Okay, let's come here. This is a conversation between Barsisa or teacher and Afomia, guys. This is a conversation between Barsisa and Afomia. Okay, let's see. Akkam olte Afomia. He asks how was her day. Okay, at the evening, how was her day. So like that. Akkam olte Afomia.
Akkam oole barsiisaa. Akkam ooltaan barsiisaa.
Sorry, but this one is by mistake. Just you have to listen me. akkam
akkam ooltan barsiisa.
akkam ooltan. Okay, this one is the spelling error I made for sorry for that one. So akkam ooltan barsiisa. Good evening Afomia.
Good evening teacher.
You see, good evening Afomia, good evening teacher. Nagaad ati ho.
Nagaa kooti barsiisa.
To mean I'm fine and you. Then she said what?
I'm fine teacher.
Okay, at the end, tole nagaan buli.
Tole nagaan bula.
You see, it is at the evening. To say what? Good night. Tole nagaan bula. We should not say nagaan buli. Afomia shouldn't say nagaan buli because she is talking with her teacher. She has to show some respect for him. So she said nagaan bula. Okay. Here it is a comparison between Hiria, that is friend, when we say for our friend, when we meet our for to say many people and to show some respect. You can see this one. Yero wal argan means when they meet. Yero wal argan at the top you can see Yero wal argan at the top. Yero wal argan to mean when they meet. Ganama means is the morning. Ware boda means afternoon. Ware boda means afternoon. Yero addaan bahan means when they separate. When maybe at home time. For example, you can say at home time. Yero addaan bahan when they separate each other. Okay, Hiria means a friend. You can see at the morning ganama akkam bulte for your friend. But if it is teacher, how we say akkam bultan namoota baay'ee or kabaja agarsiisuuf down here akkam bultan. You see? But if it is our friend, akkam bulte. As well, if they are more than one person, akkam bultan. Okay, come here. Ware boda. That means afternoon. Ware boda, afternoon. If it is our friend, we say akkam olte. What if there are many people? Akkam oltan. As well, to show some respect, even if a single person, akkam oltan. You can see this one by yourself. So it is all about greeting. If you have any question and suggestion, you can ask me at school or by the comment section. Thank you for listening. Just subscribe the channel to get more information. Thank you for listening. Bye you guys.